I'm Jean-Pierre Elfer. I am an expert for BSIS, and I run some audits or some. And I am very happy to introduce some ideas for this symposium. I am currently the director of research in Excelia in France, in La Rochelle, and Excelia is one of the first school who got the label BSIS some years ago. So, uh, where, as the captain was saying during the flights, we are going through a turbulence area. Just for that, for BSIS, for so many areas in our schools, we can say that finally everything will change and we'll go to the next future, but we don't know what can be the next future. And the second answer can be no, no. Finally, nothing will change, and we will be back to the basis. I think the two answers are right and false too. So finally, we should be certainly in the middle. Consequences for the school, certainly a consequence on the territory, because it was so quick. We should change so fast. And finally, for Excelia, we have in our map, in our program, to enlarge the territory we are working for. And finally, because the crisis, we should decide very quickly. And finally, because COVID, certainly because COVID, because the sanitary crisis, finally we opened two new campuses in two other cities in France. And if we were in the same position before COVID, before the pandemic, perhaps we'll do that. We'll do that certainly, yes, but perhaps in a couple of years. And finally, we decided in 2020 to move to a new campuses. So it's for our territory, but there are a lot of consequences. I am sure that finally all the chapters of BSIS will change because less students, less communications with the companies, less ceremonies. All our graduation ceremonies are taken in with Zoom or with Teams. So it's really with distance. So for certainly all the chapters, territories, communication, how our faculty is enrolled, is committed to the territory. Many things will change. So finally, in Excelia, we think that quantity will change, but quality will improve. And for instance, with companies, we decided to be very close to the companies. So it means less meetings with them, less, but less consultancy projects, but we are really in proximity with them. And we organize a lot of things so that with the proximity, as soon as the pandemic will finish, at that time we can be back very close to our companies. So perhaps our figures for Excelia will perhaps decrease in 2020, but certainly the quality will increase, and that time we think it's fine. And opportunities for us, certainly yes, because lockdown, we discover lockdown as all the business schools in Europe, certainly, and in other countries. And we decided that finally we can change different things. And for instance, because we were on distance, 100% distance, at the time we decided to sell our program. So for sure we sell our programs, our diplomas programs, but now we sell the programs with different modules. And finally, we think because lockdown, because everybody is changing, because the world is different, we sell our programs on a modules basis. For sure, if a student can get a lot of modules at that time, he or she will get the program and the diploma. But certainly it means finally that COVID-19, crisis, pandemic, lockdown, we have a lot of some negative, some works in progress, but finally a lot of positive ideas. And so that we start to prepare our next level. It is the third one because we have been approved 2 times. We prepare our third times BSIS level. Perhaps I can say that research is not really impacted because finally research all the faculty are working on a distance basis since many times, and they have a network, a worldwide network. But for research, I think that perhaps for the next years, because it's a little bit difficult to enlarge the network of co-authors at that time, perhaps 2022 or 2023, where it can be different. But at that time, our figures for 2020 and the first semester of 2021 are good. Programs, students, international students, there it is different. And for instance, for BSIS, we know that students in our territories, they have a very large impact. And for that, it's a little bit difficult for them to get apprenticeship, to get contracts with companies, sometimes to get a new job. And for students, certainly, it is the main impact is there for students and especially international students. Consequence of the pandemic is digital, is distance. And finally, we change everything in the school, uh, firstly on the technological side, because we need technology, we need new auditoriums, we need new classrooms, and we need new faculty, not exactly new faculty, because they were really committed to digital before. But when you are in 100% digital, at that time, you think differently, and pedagogical materials, pedagogical organizations are a little bit different. And for us, it is an opportunity. I'm sure that we plan to do that in 2024, 2023, and finally, we did that in 2020.